FY Smile, the concept came about from wanting to provide my passion for dentistry, in particular aesthetic dentistry. Over 30 years of practice, the reason I chose digital is because I was so reliant and entrenched in analog. When you're doing a full arch implant, you're talking 6 to 8 implants screwed into the patient's mouth, as opposed to a simple scan. There's no comparison. So from patient comfort and predictability, there's definitely huge benefits in digital dentistry. Digital smile design is something that's very dear to me. It was the basis of which all my other treatments were married up.
What's involved is we get you in for a smile consultation with Dr. Yasmin. The next step is where we take our digital records. So we take a series of digital photos and a digital scan to upload to the system. From there, we gain all the files from Digital Smile Design, and then we send it to the printer, we print the model, and then we create what we call a putty key, which is what we use to be able to put the design on inside your mouth. The Asiga Max UV is really good with showing the detail. So we're able to give a patient a real life experience as to what your veneers will look like. So we take videos and photos and put them side by side so you can really start to see the details in the design.
I find the Asiga Max UV super accurate. The mock-ups that I was doing on the previous printers is no match for the accuracy that we're generating with these Asiga models. They are so precise, but also the simplicity, the open source side of it, where there's so many different materials that we can specifically use, made it very appealing in that sense.
Super user-friendly. Anyone who is new that comes in for training here, that's usually one of the first things they get taught.
The speed of the Asiga was probably the most important factor. When we got to the Asiga and these things are done and on my desk in under an hour, it's amazing.
The patient experience is extremely valuable to the success of a clinic. Having something like the Asiga Max UV at your clinic, it just adds that added bonus to your patient experience.
The Asiga is an integral part of my whole workflow, so I definitely recommend it.